Virgos, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for the month of June 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to use these oracle decks. This is the angel therapy cards right here. I also have the butterfly oracle deck. With respect to your love life, I'm going to use this deck, which is a love oracle deck created by me. The link is given in the description box, so in case you want to make a purchase, and you can do just that. Virgos, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Towards the final days of May, stepping into June 2021, we have the Two of Cups. Perhaps there were unexpected surprises in store for you. I think this was also the period when you were relaxing or socializing. There may have been reunions. Overall contentment was expected. I think you may have also made financial gains in this period. Basically, you were happy with the output or your productivity. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Five of Cups energy. Perhaps this month you'll be feeling challenged. There could be some kind of emotional loss as well that you're dealing with. Ideally, Virgos, you should take a back seat rather than involve yourself in the affairs of other people. Maybe you could be denigrated for being meddlesome. That is why it would be best to hold your tongue. Perhaps you should also clarify before pointing fingers at others. Largely, I think your emotions are going to run high and this could compound matters for you. It would be best to accept God's plan. At work also you could be a bit distracted. Maybe you're unable to carry out the task the way you would have liked. Influences for this month, we have the Seven of Cups. Possibly there are choices before you. You may also be gripped by nostalgia like this lady, or she is thinking about the past or what could have been. Virgos, you should also take into account that there could be backbiting or there could be conspiracies against you. Sometimes, you may be feeling as though you have no time for yourself or your relationships, and these restrictions could overwhelm you. Maybe you're being accused of being self-centered or self-seeking. Even on the work front, Virgos, you may be a bit bored with the job. Perhaps you want a higher pay or you want an increase in salary. That is why you could be looking for greener pastures or better avenues for yourself. I think money is something which motivates you this month. The first 10 days of June, we have the Knight of Cups energy. Did you notice we have a lot of cups in your reading? This is why emotions is something which you need to guard against. You could be a bit temperamental and moody. In the first 10 days, there could be unnecessary arguments. Maybe you're also assuming too much. Sometimes, you need to keep aside ego, or the person whom you're dealing with should also keep his ego aside and make a last-ditch effort to reach out to you. In these 10 days, you could also feel overworked. Maybe you feel that help is not at hand, or everybody leaves you to your devices. Perhaps your colleague is also complaining instead of going about the task. That is why this could perturb you a bit. Ideally, I think Virgos, you should show urgency. Maybe if clients are expecting feedback from you, then you should let them know. Or even if your superior expects feedback from you, then you should keep her aware or keep her abreast of whatever is going on. You are somebody who wants to do the task in a systematic fashion. While dealing with clients also, you should put your foot down. Maybe somebody wants to fleece you or take advantage of your benevolent nature. On the work front, you may also feel a bit stifled because you feel that there are prying eyes. The next 10 days, that is towards 11 to 20th June, we have another Cups energy. This is the 10 of Cups. Perhaps Virgos, you're also dealing with the water signs. That is Pisces, Cancer and Scorpion this month. Nevertheless, a feeling of contentment is quite likely in these 10 days, except for some minor worries. Rush and finalize these. Expect money from clients as well. Maybe you should ask for more from your customers or patrons. Positive feedback is also quite likely. You'll be much appreciated by your juniors or even by colleagues. Sometimes, your superior or your jealous colleagues could also try to put you down. So this is why I did say in this reading that you should be careful, because knives are being sharpened or there's backbiting this month. In case you are in the leadership position, then I think Virgos, you will benefit if you have a very flexible mindset. Maybe you should make allowances for your juniors or give them the freedom, as they will excel. Basically, you're being called upon to be more accommodative. The last 10 days of the month, Virgos, we have the Two of Wands. Largely, discussions would be about how you should proceed in life or how you should carry on with your work or career matters. There could be a solution in sight for your problems. Perhaps you should deliberate with an older person, maybe your father or father figure. Financial issues could also crop up in your relationships. Maybe you could be reluctant to seek assistance from family members, but then you should do so. In case you're making your way for an interview, then you should be more polite rather than come across as someone who's quite brusque. Some of you could also be worried while dealing with clients because you wonder whether he will approve of your services. Nevertheless, surprises are in store for you. Maybe you should negotiate and have your way. In this month, you'll also be somebody who will be focusing on spiritual growth. I think you should follow your sixth sense. Maybe there are past life issues that you're dealing with, so you need to do some aura cleansing as well. Some of you could also be socializing a bit, or you will be going on those shopping trips. Possibly it's also time to declutter your wardrobe. With respect to your love life, I have the card limitations, impediments, roadblocks, outside influences. Perhaps Virgos, you're dealing with some kind of obstacles in the path with respect to your connection with this person. Maybe there are outside influences. Sometimes family issues could also be there. Maybe your family members aren't too happy. So this could mean that these are obstacles that you need to maneuver. Nevertheless, single Virgos, I think you'll be quite sought after by the opposite sex. Particular person has intense feelings for you because we did have the Knight of Cups energy in your reading. Perhaps this person is also going to keep his ego aside and make an effort to woo you. But then I think you're somebody who's going to put limitations on this relationship. Perhaps you realize that there are limitations here. Maybe the age difference could also be a factor here. In case you're crushing on someone, I think you will continue to cyberstalk this person. Maybe you're watching his photos or you're reading his messages on the social media. Oftentimes you could be overcome with nostalgia. I think you're yearning for this person. You want to reach out to him, but then you will put those roadblocks on yourself. Interestingly, this month, some of you could also be surprised to hear from an ex. Dancing Virgos, I think you should watch your tongue. Maybe you could say something unkind. So that is why your person could recoil in a shell or he could be closed off. Nevertheless, I think you're somebody who's going to be wooed by your person. He definitely delights in talking to you. Sometimes, this person could also overwhelm you by his remarks. You will also realize that your thoughts are similar and they are well aligned. This month, you can also expect surprises from your person. Perhaps he wants to whisk you away to a weekend getaway. I think you will be over the moon because this person will concede that he enjoys talking to you. Married Virgos, there could be criticism coming your way, so this could unsettle you a bit. Incidentally, this month, you should also watch out because fights with your in-laws could also escalate. Maybe there'll be disagreements. Ideally, you and your partner should realize that these impediments are not going to be there forever, so you need to work on your relationship and create harmony and love in this connection. In case you are in an extramarital relationship, maybe you want to be in the arms of this person. That is why you feel that there are lots of obstacles on the path before you can attain happiness with your extramarital lover. In case you are in an unhappy connection, I think you want to break free. Maybe this is why you feel that this relationship is an obstacle in your life. It is preventing you from progressing. Perhaps you may be in a third party situation. That is why you want to be in the arms of your lover. Largely, you need to brace yourself because there are going to be very many changes in your life in this month. Your responsibilities will also increase. To wrap up this reading, we have messages from the Angel Therapy card. It says here, singing and dancing. I think Virgos, you need to be creative this month. You need to express yourself creatively. Perhaps you need to balance work and play. Singing and dancing can help you open up your creative channels. There may be hidden talents within you, and this will definitely boost your self-confidence with activities that you're engaged in. It could help you at work, or it can even help you in your relationship. You're also being called upon to go with the flow in life. Last card in this reading is sobriety. From the Butterfly Oracle deck, perhaps Virgos, you are going to become more aware and sensitive this month. That is why you need to abstain from chemicals or you need to detoxify as well. I think once you're sober, then it could help you become more focused in life. It could give you direction about how you should proceed. Besides Virgos, you should also seek support from your family members. In this month, some of you could also be helping others who need to be sober or who need to do away with addictions. You know, healing in any form can help us, it can even help others. I hope Virgos, you liked your reading. This is Star with Rihanna Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.